Hi, welcome to Making Words today. We are going to be making words of these letters, E, D, N, S, P. So go ahead and get letters. If you don't have little letters like this, you can always do paper letters and cut them out. The next thing you'll need is some regular paper to write the words down on, and then we'll cut those words out and then we'll move them and sort them. Let's start with our sounds. This guy is the only one that has two sounds. So do you remember his name?
E.
And his other sound, his second sound?
D.
D. N. S. P. Very good. Let's try that a little bit faster. Ready? E. A. D. N. S. P. Okay, go ahead and get those letters and we'll see you in just a second for making words. Here we go. I have a friend named Ed. Make the word Ed. And he is a name. There it is. Go ahead and write Ed down on your piece of paper. Okay, our next word. Add one letter to Ed to spell another name.
Pet.
Ned. Write that word down. Ned. Okay, everyone at home, turn that N around so it's a lowercase.
Read.
Okay, turn the N around so it's a lowercase N. Whoopsies. There we go. Okay, what I want you to do next. What I want you to do next is we're going to do just move the letters around in Ned to make den. Lions live in a den. D-N. Write that word down, den. Change one letter in den to make the word pen. Pen. She wrote the letter with a pen.
Or it's
Go
a
to
pen
the
for
side.
pig. Pen for a pig.
Pen. Write that word down. Pen. Quickly. We're going to spell one more three-letter word. The word is end. I didn't like the end to the movie. End.
Like the end.
Go ahead and write that word down. I hear N. D. Can you go to the side, please, again, so we don't... There you go. End. Write that word down.
The end.
Okay, next, add one letter to end to make the word ends. It's plural, ends. The party ends at 4 o'clock. Ends. Write that word down, ends. Now we're going to move the letters around in the word ends to spell dens. Lots of lions need lots of dens. Move to the side, please, Andrina. Dens. She's got it. Dens. Write that word down. Dens. Change one letter in dens to spell pens. Just Neil. Okay. Pens. There it is. Write that word down. Pens. But you're standing in front of it again, so it's hard to see when you stand in front. Okay, we're going to spell one more four-letter word. The word is send. Send. I'm going to send my letter in the mail. Send.
I send.
What does it start with? End. Can you go to the side, please? Oh, good look. She kept the N chunk together. That was a good idea. Send. Write that word down now. Send. For our secret word, keep the letters in send where they are and add a P somewhere to spell our secret word. I'm going to give you a hint. The S is in the beginning. Will you please put the S back? Hold on to that P for a second. I'm going to give everybody at home a hint. Okay? Sometimes when I go to the store, I have to do this with my money to get something.
Spend.
That's right. Spend. Can you put the P in there? And you know end, so you can make spend. Spend. Write that word down. Spend. Good job. Okay, what I'd like everyone at home to do is cut those words out that we just made and get ready for our word sort. Welcome back to our sort. Today, we're going to be sorting our words based on the beginning or first sound. As Andrina reads it, listen to that beginning sound or look with your eyes. Let's start with the first word. Ready, Andrina? Go ahead. Dens. Ned. Read with us at home. Den. Pen. End. Pens. Send. Ends. Spend. Okay, go ahead and sort those by the first sound of the beginning sound. Go ahead. Okay, Andrina.
Ed.
Keep going. What else is with ed? Yep, you've got it. Yeah, but look below you. What is that? The whole group there. Ed, ends, end. Do those all have the beginning sound? They do. They have the E. Okay, go ahead, Drina. Next one.
Pen.
Yes, keep going.
Pens.
That's right.
Dens. Den. Spend. Send. Spend.
And what that one, and the name Ned, he doesn't have another one with him, does he? Nope. Great. Okay, everyone at home and Andrina, I want you to pick one word, or two or three if you want to challenge yourself. We're going to write that word in a sentence, and hopefully you don't have to look at how to spell it. What, Andrina, remind us and everyone at home, what goes at the beginning of a sentence?
Begins the
What do we need to have? The first part of a sentence. What do we have to have? What is that?
capital and
Capital.
last period, or I do hearts.
Well, we want to do a period or exclamation point or question mark. Okay. Go ahead and get your sentence started. Here is Andrina's sentence. She decided to challenge herself. Can you read your sentence, please?
Mm-hmm.
Go.
Okay, sorry.
Well, that just confused everyone. Okay, go ahead. Read it.
Ned sends pens to Ed.
Very good.